The talk on the street, Nifty bulls may look to extend their gains from yesterday's session on optimism that the Iran conflict may come to a close soon. Trump says Iran's president has asked US for a ceasefire. Meanwhile, Iran denies Trump's claim that Iran has requested ceasefire, calling it false and baseless. The big question, can Nifty gain for second straight day and end the week with a ban amidst extremely oversold conditions? Well, there is a bright possibility that Nifty could have a positive start as bulls may aim to take over the positive baton from a green Wall Street in overnight trade. Our call of the day, it's likely to be a volatile session for Nifty, as much will depend on how Middle East de-escalation evolves. While markets are cheering peace signals, conflicting narratives and ongoing troop movements continue to keep uncertainty elevated. President Donald Trump said the US could end military involvement within 2 to 3 weeks, while also indicating Iran may be seeking a ceasefire, conditional on the Strait of Hormuz reopening. Long story short, peace hopes could further fuel the rally, but Hormuz remains the key trigger. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Wednesday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 8331 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 7172 crores. Sentiments are likely to be precarious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals indicate massive consolidation in a volatile trading environment. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled near 25.01 levels. At last check, USD INR, April, was seen hovering near 95.01 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 0.85. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to witness wild swings as there still appears to be no quick resolution to the Middle East conflict. Hope versus uncertainty, volatility remains inevitable. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 2679. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 22,500 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,187 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,500 and 2900. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 73134. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 72,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 74,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 72,500 to 74,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51449. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 50,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 52,185 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,305 to 300. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. 1. The good news, GST collections are strong. Net GST revenue rose to 1.78 trillion rupees in March, the highest since April 2025. Gross collections stood at 2 trillion rupees, marking an 8.8% YoY growth, the first time since May 2025 crossing this level. Strong GST numbers signal steady economic momentum. 2. Meanwhile, India's digital payments story continues to scale new highs. UPI transactions surged 10% more to 29.52 trillion rupees in March, with volumes rising 11% to 22.64 billion, the highest ever since inception. FY26 also saw strong momentum, with value up 21% to 314.23 trillion rupees and volume rising 30% YoY. Stocks in spotlight. 1. TCS will officially certify the ceremonial starters pistol for India's fourth quarter earnings season for the fiscal year ending 2025-26 on Thursday, 9th April 2026. 1. Bharat Coking Coal, plus 7.15%, 32 rupees and 10 paise. Bharat Coking Coal, BCCL, surged after reporting a 2% YoY rise in raw coal production to 4.42 metric tons in March 2026. 2. Maruti Suzuki India, plus 1.64%, 12,500 rupees. Maruti Suzuki India gained after reporting total sales of 2.25 lakh units in March 2026, marking a 17% YoY growth.